Do you guys ready to take your Instagram stories to the next level? Oof, super excited for this one, because today I'm gonna share with you top 5 free apps to make your IG stories pop. Let's get it started. What's going on, guys? Dennis Black is here, and one of the common questions that I recently been asked a lot is how do I create my Instagram stories, what apps do I use, and stuff like that. So I've decided why not to share with you guys my 5 favorite apps that I use to create templates for my Instagram stories, color grading for videos, animations, and all other cool things to make it look more attractive. I feel like nowadays your Instagram profile is becoming just as important as the homepage on your website, as more and more people are starting to search for individuals and brands on Instagram first instead of Google. So just like you spend time crafting the photos and copy them on your website, the same intention needs to be applied for your Instagram feed and stories. Also, I do have a bonus tips for you guys in the end of this video about how you can instantly make your Instagram videos looks way better. No more shaky videos by just changing a couple of camera settings on your phone. But first, let's talk about top 5 apps. So the app number 1 that I use is Lightroom, which is a mobile version of well-known to everyone Adobe product. I use Lightroom on my laptop as well, but whenever I'm on the go, I just use my phone to edit photos because it's much more convenient. If you've used a desktop version of Lightroom before, the interface is pretty much similar. You just simply import a photo, play around with settings. You can use your own presets as well if you've got saved one already. App number 2 is Unfold, and this is probably one of my favorite apps because with Unfold your stories will look like they took hours to craft, even if you pieced yours together in less than a minute. What they do is they're providing a series of minimalistic, elegant templates that you can add photos and text before uploading them to your story. You can get creative with background, colors, textures, stickers, and more. The other good thing is that there is no account required, just download an app and start creating. Now, some of the templates that you see there are paid, and I actually bought some of them, like this one for example. I'm sure you guys seen it a lot on different Instagram pages, but you can also use free templates as well and get some pretty decent results. I do also want to make it clear that I'm not being sponsored by any of these apps, and these are my personal preferences. The third app is called Canva. If you never heard about Canva, it's actually a quite popular photo editor website that you can use to create beautiful photos with text overlay and other effects for your posters, ads, flyers, Instagram stories, and everything else. This graphic design app has probably one of the highest collection of templates that you can use to craft engaging Instagram stories. The other cool thing that I like about Canva is the ability to easily connect your work between their website and mobile app, which is really cool. So you can easily start creating something using your laptop, for example, and then open their mobile app and finish that project over there. App number 4 is called Over. I've been using this app for a while now, and I really like their layers and funky fonts. You can easily add text and graphic elements to your photos and videos. They also keep on top of fun trends like Instagram story stickers. And there are literally thousands of graphic elements, images, design quality templates, and more in this app. And the last app is HypeType. HypeType is a cool app that lets you add animated text over any photos or videos. Just select the content you want to edit, and this app will add a variety of text animations over it. HypeType is free, but you can pay in-app for a few upgrades to remove the HypeType watermark, for example, and get the full suite of font options. So that was my top 5 free apps that you can download right now and start crushing your Instagram stories. And now some bonus tips for you guys about how to stabilize and fix that shaky footage from your phone. So everything that you have to do is go to the camera settings, then go to the video section and change the factory settings from 30 fps to 60 fps. Boom! That's it! You can go straight away to your camera and record a test video to see how big is the difference and how smoother your videos became. I was actually really surprised that a lot of people didn't know about that. And I've been asked a lot about how my Instagram stories are so smooth. What phone model do you use? Do you use any extra gimbals or something? And the answer to all of this question is no. I just use 60 frames per second and both of my hands when I'm recording the video. Now, this is quite crucial part as well when you press that record button, because most of the time people use just one hand when they film something, and of course your footage is gonna be shaky as hell, even with the right settings and gimbal. Just hold the phone steady using both of your arms and try to move your body rather than moving your hands. If you're walking and filming something in the same time, try to use a ninja walk, which is really popular across filmmakers. Just bend your knees and take a short steps, rolling from the heel to the ball of your foot. Now all you need to do is practice that walk and you will find your videos get smoother and smoother every time. If you also want to improve your mobile photography skills, make sure you go and watch my other video about 10 crucial mobile photography tips that I made earlier. That's all for today, guys. Hope you found these tips useful, and I'm pretty excited to see your improved Instagram stories, so make sure you tag me on it and I will share my favorite ones on my page. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button if you've been getting value out of this video, and I will see you in the next one. Peace!